What is waste in software engineering? That is what we are going to speak today. Software is a set of items or objects that form a configuration that includes programs, documents, data. If the configuration is not okay, then it is waste. Software applications, they are system software, real-time software, business software, engineering scientific software, embedded software, PC software, artificial intelligence software, web applications software. These softwares become waste in tune with time, so constant updation is necessary. Software poses challenges. Because of challenges for waste management. How do we ensure the quality of the software that we produce? How do you meet the growing demand and still maintain budget control? How do we upgrade an aging software plant? How do we avoid time delays? How do we successfully institute a new software technology? If layered technology is not properly done, then software becomes waste. Software layered technology is nothing but software engineering is the first layer is tools, the second layer is methods, third layer is process model, and finally a quality focus. So, if the layered technology is not proper, automatically the software becomes waste. In software activities, umbrella activities are there. They are namely software project management, formal technical reviews, software quality assurance, software configuration management, document preparation, production, reusability management, measurement, and risk management. If the aforesaid activities are not updated in tune with state-of-the-art technology, then software becomes waste. So, improper process as problem solving leads to waste. The problem solving is consisting of the problem definition, technical development, solution integration, and status quo. If it is not proper, then it leads to be totally a waste. The primary goal, high quality. Remember, high quality is equal to project timeliness and less rework. If project is not on time with less rework, then it becomes waste. Improper stages in the linear model leads to waste. The linear model is nothing but analysis, design, code, and test. So if it is not properly done, definitely software engineering becomes waste. Iterative models without these stages will become waste. The model, what we are exactly thinking is listen to the customer and build and revise the mock-up test and customer test drives and mock-up and prototype the whole process. If it is not properly done, then the software becomes waste. So like that, in software engineering, people may be thinking that what is a question of waste, but these are the stages we find. In many areas, we find that software engineering becomes waste if the things are not properly taken care. So for example, the fundamental concepts to avoid waste: abstraction, data, procedure, and control; refinement, elaboration of details for all the abstractions; modularity, and that is to be taken care for the data and function; architecture, overall structure of the software; procedure, the algorithms that achieve the function; hiding, controlled interfaces. If these fundamental concepts are taken properly, then software waste management it leads to. If modular design is not done properly, then it leads to waste. And sizing modules, that is also very important. If it is not taken care, basically if interface design is not proper, then software becomes waste. Interface design, in the sense, normally it is leading to lack of consistency, too much memorization, no guidance help, no context sensitivity, poor response, and not user friendly. So if these factors are not taken care, then your software becomes waste. Golden rules to avoid waste. Place the user in control. Reduce the user's memory load. Make the interface consistent. If proper testing is not done, then software becomes waste. Testability containing the errors, requirements, conformance, performance, and indication of quality. This is all to be taken care. Otherwise, software becomes waste. Selective testing, exhaustive testing, and overall software testing, all the things are to be taken care. Otherwise, the test case design leads to waste if not properly done. White box testing and basis part testing, loop testing, black box testing, other box techniques to avoid waste. So, if you take care of all these things, then error guessing methods, decision table techniques, cause effect graphing, all these things are to be taken care. Otherwise, your testing strategy leads to totally a waste. Unit testing to avoid waste, and environment test also it is needed, and debugging to avoid waste, and debugging process to avoid waste. The object oriented mindset also to be taken care in our mind. If building is a class is not properly done, then software becomes waste. Domain analysis to avoid waste, and selecting cases criteria to avoid waste, and object oriented design is very important to avoid waste. Object oriented analysis and object oriented design both are to be properly interlinked to avoid waste. Proper mapping is necessary to avoid waste in the case of analysis model and design model. From the analysis model and design model, classes are mapped into objects, attributes are mapped into data structure, methods are mapped into algorithms, relationships are mapped into messaging, behavior is mapped into the control. Thus, we have to take care of all these points in order to avoid the waste in software engineering. Thank you very much.